Hello, this is Dave. I haven't done a video in a while, but I want to start putting some of my vintage equipment back up on YouTube for anybody who's interested in it. Um, I actually found this particular item on eBay. It's an AT&T 5400 cordless phone. And it shows the digital display. Channel 0 will be channel 10. It's got the lighted keypad. The metal antenna. Sound quality is very good of this. This is, I think, the first model that was made with the Clarity Plus. The Clarity Plus noise suppression system. No intercom, actually, and there's no page. So this was fairly rare that they made them without page buttons. This one actually has a memory, and the battery that's in it, I didn't even test the original battery. Right here, that'll tell. I got it on a digital phone line. This was actually pretty filthy dirty. It was all scuffed and black marked, and I don't know if it's a little discolored. It may look a little tiny bit discolored, but the antenna wasn't broken. I actually had a AT&T battery 4051 that would go in this phone, but I at some time ago I bought a bunch of these batteries in the plastic there. Those are all brand new. I thought maybe I'd need it for this, but I took the one out of a 4600 that sound quality is fair on them. So it's got the nice lighted. I used to always like the lighted part where that would shine down on the keypad instead of having the buttons light up. And it rings good. It rings good. Sounds good. It has the auto select feature. Where is it? 10 channel auto select. So let's see if I go. Actually, if I just go channel, I went to channel 7, 9. I see the light come on. This was manufactured. I found a date on the bottom. This still has the antenna, the thick antenna mounted on the back. The newer ones had them on the side, like the 5405s. Manufactured in 1991. So this phone is actually 21 years old. And still works. No button stick or anything, and still works good. Of course, it's unsecure. It's 46, 49 megahertz. No voice scrambling or nothing like that. So compared to the DECT phones up here, which are digitally transmitted. And what I'll do is I have more of these. I will show you. I have a 4400. I have a 4410, but it doesn't work. I think it keeps blowing fuses. There's something wrong with it. But I have a 4110, which is just the base, very simple pilot tone AT&T phone. Uses P numbers instead of digital security. And the other one, let's see, I saw another one on eBay, a 4330 for $9.95. Those had the Clarity Plus sound, like what these do. Actually, it has a noise comparator, which is basically the same thing. These actually sound, I think, a tad bit better. And there's no volume control, but this phone's plenty loud. I mean, you wouldn't even be able to hear the dial tone that far away from it. So, but I just wanted to put this one on first, and then I'll slowly, since I got vacation this week, I'll slowly do some more. I have a nice Southwestern Freedom phone, 10 channel with keypad. It was 10 channel. That one was auto select. The old ones used to have the wheel on the base and the handset, and they had to match up the channels. But anyway, I just wanted to show this quick. This is the AT&T 5400 1991 model. Still in working condition. Have a good day. Thank you.